case. I'll explain the use case. Then if you know the answer, please mention in the comment. If not, then in the next video I'll explain the solution. The use case they provided is it's related to the services, microservices. Okay, microservices. The question is from the source, I mean outside we will have lot of XML and will be stored in the one of the shared path. Okay, yeah, the thing here is that I have shared path XML files. Okay, here they will keep on add XML files. Okay, all XML files here it will be there, and I have a service. Okay, that is process and trigger. For example, service A. So it will do some logic, and it will pick from this folder. It will process some logic. Once process is done, it will send these data to the other microservices. Okay, it is clear, right? Here if it has so if it is one service, it is fine, because it will process one by one data and process. And if it has 3 services, okay, if it has 3 services, how data is fetching from this shared path, because it is only one path, right? How it process and how it is sent. It should not pick duplicate of reports. Okay, duplication of XML files from one service to other service. How we will handle. Thank you for watching.